In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Amazon gift card to their email, 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to customize your gift, and what the recipient will see when it arrives. First, head to Amazon. You can either type Amazon e-gift card into the search bar or open the main menu and select gift cards. Both paths lead you to the same place. Look for the digital option, often labeled e-gift card. If you're on a mobile device, the gift cards section is usually in the menu. On desktop, you'll see it near the top navigation. Make sure you're signed in so you can check out smoothly later. Choose the email delivery option. This tells Amazon to send the gift card directly to the recipient's inbox, which is quick and convenient, especially for last-minute gifts. You're not buying a physical card here, so there's nothing to ship. Now customize your gift. Enter the recipient's email address carefully. A single typo can send it to the wrong place. Add your name so they know who it's from, and include a short message if you'd like. Keep it simple and friendly. This note appears in the gift email. Next, pick the amount. You can choose a preset value or enter a custom amount to fit your budget. For a nice personal touch, select a design that matches the occasion, like a birthday theme, holiday art, or a clean Amazon logo. If you prefer something neutral, choose when you want it delivered. You can send it now for instant delivery or schedule it for a future date. Scheduling is perfect for birthdays and holidays, and it helps you plan ahead. Remember that delivery timing follows the selected date and time zone, so consider any differences if your recipient is in another region. Add the gift card to your cart and proceed to checkout. Confirm the recipient's email, your message, the amount, and the delivery date one more time. Then choose your payment method, debit or credit card, or your Amazon balance. Note that you can't use an existing gift card to buy another gift card. Place your order and you're done on your end. Here's what happens next. The recipient receives an email containing the gift card and a claim button. They click Apply to Account, and the balance is instantly added to their Amazon wallet for future purchases. If they don't see it, they should check spam or promotions folders. That's it. You've just sent a thoughtful, instant gift straight to their inbox. Thanks for watching, and happy gifting.